years ago, Mr. B. Stanton, who is an art teacher from the Compton School District, wanted to bring circle painting to the schools. We connected and created a collaborative community-based mural project. Mr. B later introduced the project to his principal, extending it to team building and professional development for the staff. He even pitched his idea to the school board, which succeeded in supporting the circle painting murals projects in several schools in the district via funding. You may be inspired to start at least one mural project in your community. If you would like to succeed, here we have 5 tips for you. Number 1. Invite everyone. Remember to invite everyone to take part in the process. Everyone means the organizers, administrators, janitorial staff, cafeteria workers, bus drivers, and even the crossing guard. Do not leave them out of the process, because everybody in the project is worth their time and effort. Number 2. Survey the site. Before you decide what to paint, let the host team know what they need to prepare, so the mural will last as long as it can. What does it mean? For example, try not to place murals directly under the sunlight or in the path of an irrigation system. You should know what conditions will work best. Number 3. Create a plan and theme. You should create a plan before the program starts. You can start with team building activities to prepare your volunteers and staff to assist you. Moreover, collect images and ideas from the banners or artwork in the orientation activities. Put them into the mural. Give everyone a chance to pitch in. Number 4. Deep clean and seal. Do not underestimate the cleaning part before painting. This is the biggest secret for your mural to last longer. Deep clean the area 2 days before the painting begins. Seal and prime the surface. Sealing prevents mildew and mold from growing underneath, and priming prepares the surface to accept the paint. Do not skip these steps. Number 5. Celebrate the end of the project. After your mural is done, celebrate with everyone who joins the process. Participants can share stories by pointing to the places where they made their mark. Imagine how exciting it is when they become part of something bigger than they are.
Everybody was working together. This is why this looks so good. Because everybody put effort into it. It wasn't just one person to it. It was a whole who was just helping people. You don't feel like this is like work. Collaboration is all this to one. That's why it's so important.
If you want to work out a mural project in your communities, do not hesitate to contact us.